All right, CS230 TA, whoever has to watch this, be prepared for something that's hopefully halfway interesting that you haven't watched a million times before. All right, let's get started. So here's the game. Let's start our position. So we started 1-1. The AI is at 6-3. Let's go to 3-3. There we go. That updates the state of the game. Let's show what happens if you don't do a proper location. In proper location, we're currently at 3-3. So then let's move to 4-4. All right, we move to 4-4. And now let's just start continuing playing this game. So let's go to 4-5. Let's go to 5-5. Let's go to 5-4. Let's go to 5-3. Let's go to 6-1. Oh, 6-1's an improper location, no problem. Let's go to 6-4. Let's go to 6-5. Let's go to 6-5. Let's go to 6-6. Let's go to 5-6. Let's go to 4-6. Let's go to 3-6. Let's go to 3-5, right? Yeah, 3-5. Let's go to 3. Let's actually just block off the AI. 1-3. All right, the AI can't move. Go again. You see the AI turn was just skipped. So then let's go to 1-4, 1-5, 2-6. 2-6. It just entered in 12-6. And finally, let's do 1-6. Then all right. Then let's do 2-5, and finally 2-4. And as you can see, the player points are here. I won 32 points. AI points here at 23 points. And that's the end of the game.